What a nice day to play chess.
Hey King, I want to meet chess use.
What? How do I? That's such a spoiled brat if I've ever seen one.
My ears hurt from her screams.
It's so loud even from here.
I also want a gold and silver trident.
But you already have.
And give me a beep beep sheep plush.
Oh, not another spoiled brat.
Even the bishops from the other universes can hear.
Wait, other universes?
You've definitely hidden something from us. It's 'cause they are.
We'll discuss after this game.
Ethan, move and make way for me.
But it's not our turn. Yeah, and I'm gonna move to square. You should beware of e4. Let me move to get away from our queen's bratty attitude. I'm gonna do a gambit.
The King's Gambit. Okay, Ethan, you can capture Felix.
Check, check, check.
Why did we move the F-pawn?
I'll help you, my king.
Thank you.
Get out, queen. Haha, free pawn. This is bogus.
Not so fast.
I'll annoy Veruca Salt.
How dare you! Just for that rage abate, I'm gonna capture this pawn with check.
Not so fast. I wanna help.
Here's a plan for us. Army, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes, King.
So we all develop while Black's queen is screaming.
I'll move to squares. Get out of here, bishop.
I wanna attack the rook.
Easiest free bishop.
Frick, frick, frick.
Let me make my way to h1. I'm gonna develop.
At least you're not spoiled.
How are you calling spoiled, you quamlicks? I'm the most powerful piece. How about I take your rook for your actions?
I don't think so. Scram queen.
And now... I got your own rook trapped.
No, are you kidding me?
Whatever, let's just develop as we can't save our rook.
I'll start.
Say goodbye, rook.
Frick, frick, frick.
Hi guys, Empress here again. I want to talk about channel memberships. When we reach 1,000 subscribers, we will add them. They will have special emojis, like bishop.exe virus, that quamless, and many more. Sheesh, that queen screams so much. Anyways, not only emojis, we have exclusive members only videos, and unique loyalty badges, and my favorite, priority reply to comments. Ultimate Sniper Bishop will reply to your comments first, and if you become a member, you get a moderator status. So, we need your help. Get us to 1,000 subscribers.
Oh no. The Ad Empress is breaking the fourth wall. I have to do something. Otherwise this will cause a fatal error. And it will cause the chessverse to end. And I must save the kings and bishops. And this must end by chess memes number 20. And all the other pieces have almost discovered us. And only us bishops should know this. I must inform all the other bishops and our lord. The ultimate sniper bishop. I must find the Ad Empress. Anyways, let me just get the show running.
I'm getting back in action.
My ears hurt. Are you kidding me, queen? Now I'm gonna die.
Does it look like I care? The only thing that's important is me being the one to checkmate the white quamlisk on e1.
You sneaky queen.
Check, flex, backtrack.
Well, it must run from the killer queen.
I'm gonna move up. Dexter, move 2 squares.
But then I'll be taken on for soon.
Well, I'm your queen, and you do what I say.
You sneaky creeper. This is why I never move to squares. Time for eternal glory. This move is practically a forced move. Don't think this is funny. Time for fun. No. Ching.
I banish thee.
Trick, trick, trick.
Yes, I'm in the game.
Well, I have my queen to blame.
And I was thinking the same. And developing is my aim.
And your rhymes are so lame.
And pinning Noelle, he's why she came.
Just stop with the rhymes and get me to safety.
Oh, okay, king.
Bishop, go and help me attack Aiden.
But then we'll lose.
No, we'll crush white.
We're fine. Check out of the hotel.
Nope, 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 nope.
Say goodbye, Black King.
I can't believe we lost both of our rooks.
Time for a skewer. Wait. Looks like I accidentally mated you.
You dummies. How did you all lose?
It's your brattiness that blundered the entire game. Hold on, Black. We need to discuss about earlier. Oh, okay. Let's go.
Obsidian volcano.
Something's telling me there's more to this world. It feels like there's
A real world.
Let's keep an eye on the bishops.
good thinking, Rory. Let's just stop yapping.